So the Bitcoin price is right now going upside, after breaking the very important Fibonacci zone that I discussed in my last video. And also breaking the white downtrend line. So is this the right time to enter in a long position? Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. Okay, so the Bitcoin price broke this Fibonacci level that I was discussing in my previous short video. As you can see the 0.5 and 0.618 golden zone, and how the price broke it to the upside recently. But not only this, I hope you see the white downtrend trend line that I have drawn. And the price simultaneously broke that also to the upside. So both of these indicates that the price can now head to the upside. But do keep in mind that today is Friday, and the next days will be weekend, that is the Bitcoin futures market will be closed, so now major move in Bitcoin price before Monday. So I will wait till Monday, and if on Monday I find any indication for the price to go bullish, then sure I will enter in a long position on Bitcoin. And I will inform you guys also on my Twitter. So do follow me on Twitter also, for latest TADIPAAR updates and my trade updates. And as I told you guys, that it is important to be neutral in market, and act according to the price itself. I was bearish on Bitcoin price. But right now currently I'm finding opportunity to go long on Bitcoin, so I will for sure use it as a money-making opportunity for me. Okay, so right now, I will show you one more important analysis for the Bitcoin price. Okay, so the Bitcoin price is an uptrend. Yes, till now also. Because look, how the price was forming low, higher highs, higher lows. So the Bitcoin price made a significant support form the $25,400 level. And yes, if the price managed to break that level to the downside, then definitely, the price will no longer be an uptrend. Because then the price will break the previous recent higher low, also, which signifies that the uptrend is no longer in existence. And now there are chances for a little pump in price of Bitcoin also. That's why I am neutral to you guys, and I share my both bullish and bearish analysis every time, so that the price go anywhere, still we make money on that easily. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, then I have the best exchange for you. This is easy to use exchange, and most importantly you can create a free account on it, and can win up to $30,000 deposit gift. And yes guys, that exchange is BitGet. You can create an account for free and also no KYC needed. So do create an account on BitGet, with the link in description, and start trading crypto easily on it.